Okay, I'm just going to go over this second practice assessment for you then. Okay, first question. Special offer jar contains an additional 25%, so we need to start by finding, I'll change that pen colour, 25% of 360. Now percent means out of 100, so we're doing 25 divided by 100 times 360. Type that into our calculator. 25 divided by 100 times 360 gives us 90 grams. Now that is how much extra we would get. We're asked how many grams of coffee are in the special offer jar, so we need to add it on. 360 add 90 gives us 450 grams. Okay. Question 2. Computer costs £280. As a student you get 5% discount. How much would the computer cost you? So still a percentage question. We're finding 5% of 280. Percent means out of 100, so we do 5 divided by 100 times 280. That comes out at £14. That doesn't mean the computer now costs us £14, that means we save £14. Instead of adding it on this time then, we need to take it away. So we'll do our 280, take away the 14, and we get £266. Question 3. 66 students sat an assessment, 1/3 of them failed. How many passed? So we want to start by finding 1/3 of 66. To find a third of something, we divide by 3. 66 divided by 3 is 22. So that's how many of them failed. I want to know how many passed. Take it away and we get 44 of them passed. Next question then. It's our average question. Weights of 5 people are 56, 63, 59, 70 and 69. What's the average weight? I'm going to start by adding them all together. So 56, add 63, add 59, add 70, add 69. 56, add 63, add 59, add 70, add 69 equals 317. There are 5 people. Now divide it by 5. And we get 63.4. Okay, next question. Car hire question. To hire a car, rental company charges a daily fee of £37 plus mileage cost of 6p per mile. If we were to hire a car for 4 days and travel 322 miles, how much would it cost? So we've got 4 days, each day costs £37. So we need to start by doing 37 times 4, which is 148. Then if we look at the number of miles, what's your units here? It's 6p. For 322 miles, we're working in pounds. So I want that 0.06. Or you could work it out in pence and then divide by 100 to get it into pounds afterwards if you prefer. So 322 times 0.06 would be £19.32. And then we just add the two together. So 148 add £19.32. Which is £167.32. Okay. Laura wants to split £4,137 evenly between her 6 grandchildren. So we want to divide by 6. 4137 divided by 6, that gives me 689.5. Now it's money, so we need that as 0.50, and that will be to the nearest penny. Nearest penny is always 2 decimal places. The recipe for a muffin needs 120 grams of butter, 100 grams of caster sugar, and 200 grams of flour. That makes 32 muffins. We only want to make 8 muffins. Okay, so we want to know how much sugar we would need. So if I do 32 divided by 8, that gives me 4. So I only want a quarter of each of these things. So I'm looking just at the amount of sugar. I would normally need 100 grams of caster sugar. So I'm going to divide that by the 4 that I got up here, and I would need 25 grams of sugar. Looking at the graphical section then. From the graph shown, which 2 animals does the zoo have the most of? The ones that are the most, the 2 here, so tiger and camel. Same graph, different question. From the graph shown, what's the difference between the number of tigers and the number of pandas? There are 11 tigers. There's only 1 panda. 11 take away 1 gives me 10. Last graphical question then. What's the annual sales of Hike? Hike is here. It's 7, but our sales are in thousands, so it'd be £7,000. Just check that is the last question. Yep, perfect. Okay, let me know how you got on with this one.